Today's topic is effect of dielectric when battery remains connected or disconnected. Effect of dielectric on various parameters. Case 1. When battery remains connected and dielectric is inserted in between the plates of a parallel plate capacitor. Let Q0, C0, V0, E0 and U0 be the charge, capacitance, potential, electric field and energy stored respectively before introduction of slab. So Q0 will be C0 V0, E0 is equal to V0 upon D and U0 is equal to half C0 V0 square. These are the values of the charge, electric field and energy stored respectively when the electric slab was not introduced, dielectric slab was not introduced between the plates of parallel plate capacitor. Now, if a slab having dielectric constant K is introduced between the plates, then how these values will change? Let us discuss. After introduction of slab, the potential difference remains constant as battery is connected, so V will remain same, that is equal to V0. There will not be any change in the potential difference. Electric field, it will also remain unchanged because E is given by V upon D, and since V is not changing, so V0 upon D will be equal to the electric field after the insertion of dielectric slab. So in short, we can say that potential difference and electric field will remain unchanged after the introduction of slab. Now capacitance, as already discussed, the capacitance will increase by the constant dielectric constant K. So new capacitance C is equal to Kc naught. The charge increases because the capacitance increases. We know that Q is equal to Cv. C becomes Kc naught. V naught is the new capacitance which remains constant. So we can say that the new charge will remain same, that is Kq naught. It will not have any change. Now energy is stored. Energy stored increases because U, the formula for the U is half Cv square. In place of C we can write Kc naught and in place of V we can write V naught, and this will reduce to half Kc naught V naught square, and that will be equal to Ku naught. So in short, potential difference and electric field will remain unchanged, capacitance will increase, charge will increase and energy will increase by K times. This is the case when battery remains connected. Now let us discuss the case when battery is disconnected. So case 2, when battery is kept disconnected, then how these values will change. So let again Q0, C0, V0, E0 and U0 are the initial values. Q0 is same C0 V0, E0 is V0 upon D and U0 is half C0 V0 square. So after introduction of slab, charge will remain same as Q0 because battery is disconnected, no further charge is given to it. So whatever charge is stored till then, Q0 will remain same. Now electric field reduces due to induced charge on the surface of dielectric, that is E is equal to E0 upon K. Potential difference, when electric field changes, so potential difference will also change. It will reduce, V is equal to Ed, E reduces by K times E0 upon K. So the potential difference will also reduce by K times, that will new potential V is equal to V0 upon K. So it will become V is equal to V0 upon K. Capacitance increases, C is equal to Kc naught, where K is the dielectric constant. Energy stored decreases because U is half Cv square. in place of C we can write Kc naught, and in place of V we can write V naught upon K. So when we reduce this, then it will reduce to value, and by putting the value of U naught we will get it U naught upon K. So energy stored will also decrease by constant K. So in short, when battery is kept disconnected, charge remains same. Electric field reduces, potential difference reduces, capacitance increases by K times, and energy stored reduces by K times. So on the basis of these two topics, these two numericals are based in the question number 1 and question number 2. You can solve using the variation in the different parameters discussed in case 1 and 2. You can solve these two questions. Thank you.